Hi guys, it's me Mio and we're going to do something. So we're going to the town of Ilagan or Isabela and we're going to the bayan. Actually don't know what is the word is. I mean, offshore Filipino, type it in the chat. Never mind. I wasn't supposed to say that, sorry. So by the way, this is not a card, it's a cycle. So embarrassing. So by the way, so see you later guys at Bayan or town of Isabela. Bye! Hi guys, it's me Mio and today we're here, the Lagan town. But in the house, no one's there. I don't know what happened to them, like what? So, by the way, wait. Sorry guys, that is so loud. By the way, I'm super loud, right? Oh wait. We're here down now. So by the way, we're here at the Lagan town. So by the way, I better so what is this a story place? What? So by the way, bye guys. We will see you at part 2. Sorry, it's so dark in here. So bye bye guys.